Okay, so let's take a look at how you can export this Smartsheet sheet to Google Sheets, right? So if you're on Smartsheet dashboard, you have your files listed like this. So let's say if I open one of my sheets, and here you can see financial report, and here I want this all columns to be copied to one of the Google Sheets, right? And export should be exactly as we have here with our document, right? So if you go to file, then click on export, then export to Google Sheets. Most likely you will be asked to log in. If you are not already, then you will have to fill in the details. Then it will ask you for permission, click allow, and it will move to next. Then it will export the Google Sheets here, and it says export to Google Sheets was successful. So now the logic is basically log into that account, right? So what we'll do is we will simply type in the Google Drive, right, and then sign in, and within which we will be uploading one of those files, right? So here that file financial report is already added into the drive, right? Now I will just choose from the list of available option and I open in Google Sheets, right? As you can see, these two options we have, right? And then you have on the right hand side of the sidebar available options like calendar, keep, and so on. So we'll come out of this and simply go to Google Sheets. So here you have your sheet ready along with any formulas that you have within one of these columns, and you also have this particular column that was specific to the numbers, right? So it will be get exported over to Google Sheets as well, and it will appear in one of the places. So this A1, so when we select this, it will basically have here instead of giving it the column numbers and so on, right? So pretty much everything is exported, all the rows I can think of, right? So 701 from Smartsheet, as you can see, all of those entries are here, and additional one added because of there is this header that is included, right? But pretty much all of that we have exported clearly, including formulas and specific columns, right? So you can try this. So basically you go to file within Smartsheet, then export to Google Sheets here, then you will have to log in to your Google Drive, see it exported here, right? And then it should appear when you open it. So that's the Google Sheet export of Smartsheet.